Potatoes should be soft boiled or steamed. I always use gluten-free and organic oats, but you can use anyone which is good in your opinion. I prefer to use red peppers because I think they give extra flavor and give this nice color, but you can use anyone which you like. I use half red and half white onion for extra flavors, and I just roast them on the grill. I like to have small pieces for extra taste and flavor, but if you like you can blend more. Check the instructions on the package. You usually need just to warm it up till it's dissolved. If you're not a fan of Agar Agar, you can replace that 1/4 of a cup with coconut oil or just with water and have a cheese sauce. That depends on your taste and flavors. Find a bowl or a plastic container which can fit the quantity of the cheese which we made. If you like to have a bite as well, click the like button and share the video with your friends and family. If you like to have the recipe, just write Healtharian on Facebook and you can download it from there as a picture and add it in your gallery, in your phone or computer, and never lose it and just use it whenever you want. Don't forget to check our last videos. By clicking the green logo you can see all the videos which are already out with recipes and tips for a healthy lifestyle. See you next Sunday with another amazing topic. Bye!